So here we have the Ford Mondeo Titanium X Pack on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors and loads of boot space as well. And that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you need to increase the space further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see not only is it in lovely condition, but it's a fantastic looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. The driver's seat is not only electronically adjustable, but has 3 different memory settings. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard by way of control, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side the speedometer. You can see the total miles for this car are 22,061. You can change information displayed both on the left here and in the centre here using controls on the steering wheel. So on the left-hand side, for example, you've got trip, computer, fuel economy, driver assist and settings. And you can go through various menus within the trip, computer, driver settings, all using controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. If you go over to the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you've got controls for this middle section where you can adjust your satellite navigation, entertainment. You can go to your phone menu, or speed will be a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see just there. And the arrows, or the buttons I should say, I was using a moment ago, are the left and right. Obviously this does that central one, this does the menu on the left hand side. Over here we've also got cruise control and speed limiter, and on this side stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you paired up your phone, and that's done on the touch screen in the centre just here. Hit connect to phone, then pair phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And just follow those instructions from there. If we go back to the home screen and turn the audio on and the volume off, I can show you the different types of music you're able to listen to in the car. So we've got AM, FM and DAB digital radio, a CD player, and then Bluetooth audio down the bottom there. So once you pair up your phone, not only will you be able to make and receive phone calls, but you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. And then on top of that, there are 2 separate USB inputs, so you can connect up USB devices, and those boxes will appear here as options as well. If we go back to the home screen, you'll see that this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this works on our website, which I'd highly recommend checking out. The same video is also available on our Facebook page as well. Working our way down, we've got the CD player and the main volume for the stereo, and then we've got the dual zone climate control. So I can adjust the temperature on the passenger side and the driver side, and any adjustments I make will be displayed up here. So passenger side, driver side, fan speed, and the fan speed is actually adjustable just here. Once you've got those settings where you want them, hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto, and the car will maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed itself. And if you override the fan, it's turning automatic off, as you can see. We've also got a proper heated front screen as well as the heated rear screen. Driver and passenger heated seats with 3 different settings per seat. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox, the electronic handbrake, and to the right hand side of that, this button turns on or off the parking sensors, and that turns off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel when you're stationary. As I say, that button will turn that system off if you'd rather not use it. And then inside the central armrest, we've got the 2 USB inputs that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.